Hello guys, today we're going to see how to sign a partner into the Facebook Ad Manager. So this is really quick and really simple. So you need to go on your business Facebook account first. Go on menu up there on the right. Go all the way down to Ad Manager here. Once you are on this page, you're going to click on your profile picture up here on the left. Go on your business portfolios, click settings right there. Okay, so first thing first, you need to check the billing and payment. So click on it. You need to check that your payment method is valid. For the ads to run properly, you need to have a valid credit card. You need to warn that the sampling will take place gradually. So Facebook likes to take $5, then $10, $15, $25 up to the ad spend that we agree on. So we need to tell this to your bank because they can block the Facebook payments. And if they block it, the ads are going to stop, right? So go back on your settings here, all the way up to pages. Click. Then you're going to click on assign partner, business ID. Here, you're going to paste the business ID that I'm going to send you guys. Check everything here, full control, and assign. Once you've done that, you're going to go on add account and do the same thing. Assign partner, business ID, paste here the business ID, manage, add accounts, and assign.